What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Audrey.
And I am Huy.
And we are currently in Saigon. Saigon is pretty known for its street food, so we decided that we wanted to go to a one-stop shop place, which is Ho Chi Minh Night Market. Is that the right way to say it? Ho Chi Minh. But anyways, the market starts at 5 p.m. and I think goes all the way to 10 p.m. and it is currently... I have no watch. It is currently, you have to press 5:08, so we are just on time to be there. I think once the stalls are all open, so let's head over there right now. All right, guys, we have made it to the market. It looks like there are a lot of options, and we're gonna walk through and see what we can find.
After we have scouted out the area, we are now at our very first stall, bánh tráng cuộn, which is rolled rice paper. Taking the first bite.
It's like sweet from the sauce, but tangy from the mango salad, but also crunchy. It's like there's so many textures going on, but the flavor is really good.
It's very good for the price. We got this whole plate for $1.25. And now second item for the night is bánh tráng nướng, which is grilled rice paper. It has corn, it has laughing cow cheese, some sauces, some mini shrimp, and crispy onions. It's really good. Let's take a bite. Crunchy, savory, cheesy, meaty, everything together in this is really good.
Is this squid. Apparently it's Thai style. I don't know what makes it Thai, but let's give it a try anyway.
Yummy.
It's pretty good. It has like a sourness to it, also a spiciness. Lots of lemongrass flavor. And it's very chewy. Pretty good.
Alright, so you know Vietnam is really hot, and this is how they make their own slushy. They put out a soft drink in this machine behind me, continuously shaking it in these ice bucket, and then once you tap into the bottle, everything froze and become a slushy. So about to try it. Super refreshing. I got a frozen root beer, and to go with our frozen drink, we order bắp xào, which is stir-fried corn with mini shrimp, and then they fried in margarine, and then we also come with a salted egg yolk. This is one of my childhood favorite snacks, so let's see if it brings me back to my childhood. So good. It's also really hot.
Reminder, it is hot outside, so bring a fan and maybe some napkins. But we're on to the next food item, and we're moving quickly here because we're hungry. This is just like grilled skewers with some cheese on top. The meat is really flavorful. It kind of has a sweet glaze to it. It's really good. I want to dip it in some hot sauce.
Better bite.
Really good. I like this.
So the night market, they still allow motorbike to run through. You just have to walk along with the motorbike and try to avoid them as much as you can. So next on our list is chicken cartilage, deep fried with fish sauce. Let's try one without the sauce. Crunchy, crispy, a little fatty, and then with the great nuke mắm and garlic sauce, really good.
I'll try it with the dipping sauce.
It's like a spicy mayo but I would prefer to eat by itself. It's really good. It is 7:30 now and the whole street is crowded. It's like shoulder to shoulder right now. If you guys want to avoid people, highly recommend going here around 5:36. That's the best time to be at this night market.
Alright, we are on to dessert now, and I think this is gonna be our last food item of the night, but we're gonna get coconut ice cream. Alright, let's try the ice cream out. Got some music going on in the background. Someone karaoke? Alright, let me redo that bite. That was really good.
So what I like about the ice cream is that it has different kind of component of a coconut. You got a coconut ice cream, a toasted coconut, and shredded coconut, and then the crunchy peanut as well. It was a really good bite for me.
So part of your ice cream order, you get some coconut water as well. It's not very sweet for you to eat the ice cream. It'll help you quench your thirst. Alright guys, as you can tell, we are no longer at the night market and we are back in our hotel room where we've showered, and that's why now we look like this, because we're ready for bed. But before we do that, we want to give you guys our final thoughts about the night market. So what were your favorite?
Everything that we ate was really good. My top 3 favorites are the grilled skewers. Second one is the chicken cartilage. And the third one was the corn, the fried corn.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say the squid.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard actually to narrow down to like top 3 because everything we had was pretty good. But if I had to choose, my top 3 would probably be the coconut ice cream, the meat skewers, that was really good, and my last one will be, I actually really enjoyed the first thing that we ate, which were
the rolled rice paper.
Yeah, the rice paper, rolled rice paper, is that what it is? The rolled rice paper. Yeah, that was really good.
Oh wow, interesting. We both didn't choose the squid tentacles. I think that was like, it's a toss-up. It was up there. I think we have to do the top 4 and the squid would be the next one.
Yeah, but anyways, we still highly recommend for you guys to visit if you're ever in the Saigon area, and hopefully you guys enjoyed tagging along with us and seeing what we ate. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep
winning at life. See you next video. Bye.